Everything secured up here. Digital manifest confirmed. Clear to tilt.
Look at the throughput on line 3.
Incredible, almost 0 defects this hour.
Perfectly dried orange peels enter enormous stainless steel storage silos. Automated conveyor systems transfer the material into sealed containers. Disters. The orange peel pulp enters advanced fiber extraction reactors. Special industrial equipment separates valuable...
We need to adjust the pressure on the secondary filters here.
Agreed. Optimize the circulation for the next stage.
Spool 4B passes inspection. Fiber consistency is high. Noted.
Ready for transfer to weaving. Premium orange yarn enters large stainless steel dyeing machines. Natural plant-based dyes are prepared inside giant mixing tanks. The yarn absorbs... We have an anomaly on the humidity sensor for the orange threads.
Rerouting the climate control now. It should stabilize the weave.
The softness index is optimal. Draping is excellent. We can approve this batch.
Pallet 27 confirmed.
Bring the straps over. We need to close this bay out.
The silkiness comes from the sustainable orange fiber we use. It's an innovation we are very proud of. Incredible, aren't they? Zero waste.